Mastering the phrase, I'm keen on unlocking English expressions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, I'm keen on. This expression is not just about showing interest, but it's a key to sounding more natural and fluent in English. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. I'm keen on is a phrase used to express a strong interest or enthusiasm for something. It's similar to saying, I'm interested in, but with a bit more excitement. It's a phrase that you'll often hear in everyday conversations among English speakers, making it a valuable addition to your vocabulary. To truly grasp the usage of I'm keen on, let's look at some examples. 1. Hobbies. I'm keen on playing chess. This shows a strong interest in playing chess. 2. Activities. She's keen on hiking in the mountains. Here, it highlights her enthusiasm for hiking. 3. Learning. We're keen on learning new languages. This illustrates a collective eagerness to learn. It's also useful to know some variations. Keen to. This is often used with verbs. For example, I'm keen to learn more about this topic. Keen about. This can be used similarly to keen on, like, he's very keen about ancient history. Be aware of these common errors. Don't confuse keen on with general liking. It implies a stronger interest. Remember, keen on is followed by a noun or gerund, verb ing form, not a regular verb. Now, let's practice. Try forming sentences using I'm keen on about your interests, hobbies, or future plans. Practice with friends or in your language learning diary. Congratulations on adding I'm keen on to your English repertoire. This phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you express your passions more vividly. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.